How to enable notifications in Encode app. If you have been using the Encode application and wondering on how to enable notifications on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Encode application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to the settings button right here at the top. Select it. Then here you can find notifications right here. Now to turn it on, simply tap onto this button right here. Select it. Then tap on to allow. And now you can see you have simply turned the notification on. Now you can also add the daily reminder time as well. And that's it. This is how you can enable notifications in the Encode app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.